Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Dream to English. In this particular video, I'm gonna discuss phrasal verbs that start with L letter in English. So make sure to watch this video till the end. And one more thing, I have an amazing gift for you, and this is an ebook. By the help of this ebook, you can enhance pronunciation and vocabulary of your child following 8 tips which I have mentioned in this ebook. So don't forget to avail this free gift using given link in description box. My name is Dr. Ratan Patel and I am an English grammar trainer. I help all students in improving their English grammar. So let's deep dive into today's topic. So today's topic is phrasal verbs that start with L letter in English. So here is first one. This is lash out. To suddenly try, to hit somebody, something. तीव्र प्रहार करना. She suddenly lashed out at the boy. Next one is laugh at. To make somebody, something seem stupid or not serious by making jokes about them, it. का उपहास उड़ाना. Don't take life too seriously. Learn to laugh at yourself. Next one is launch out. To do something new in your career, especially something more exciting. प्रारंभ करना. It's time I launched out on my own. Next one is lay about. To attack somebody violently. उग्र रूप से प्रहार करना. The gang laid about him with sticks. Next one is lay off. Used to tell somebody to stop doing something. आराम करना, काम बंद करना. Lay off me, will you? It's nothing to do with me. Next one is lay out. To spend money. व्यय करना. I had to lay out a fortune on a new car. Next one is leave off. To stop doing something. रुक जाना, बंद कर देना. Start reading from where you left off last time. Next one is let off. To not punish somebody for something they have done wrong or to give them only a light punishment. क्षमा करना, बाध्य न करना, सजा न देना. She was let off with a warning. Next one is look for. To hope for something, to expect something. ढूंढना, खोजना. We shall be looking for an improvement in your work this term. Next one is look after. To be responsible for or to take care of somebody, something, yourself. देखभाल करना. Don't worry about me. I can look after myself. I don't need any help. I hope you found this video helpful and informative. If you have any doubt or question, you can put your comment or question in comment section. So don't forget to like, share and subscribe this YouTube channel. And once again, don't forget to avail this free gift using given link in description box. So see you in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.